So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to replicate a flyer. Yeah, this flyer was actually designed by Stephen using Photoshop. So let us replicate it using PixelLab. So first let me go to my size. I'll go. So for the size width, it's 1080, and then for the height is 1350. So let me just go to my gallery, and then let me show you the design that was done by him. Here's it. So we are replicating this actually. So let me just reduce the size and then delete this default text. So he actually dropped the color scheme he used. Here's it. So I will also drop that on the description menu so that you can actually download. You can actually go and subscribe to his YouTube channel if you want to learn design using Photoshop. So let me go straight to my color here. I'll come to my color and then pick from the color picker and then pick this color. Yes, it's okay. The color is actually gradient. So you have to pick this gradient color. So for this part here, I'll click on it and then click color picker, pick the black color, and then boom, you can see the center is actually on. So for the next color, I will pick it, and then I'll pick it, and then I will go to my color picker and then pick this one. You can see it there. So that's it. Actually, you can actually see how the color combination is. I'll click on done. Yeah, this is it. So let me just go to my gallery again and then import the logo of the company. Is it company or somehow like company? Is just a kind of shop, I think. I don't know, sure. So let me just reduce the size, and then fix it at the center. Let me reduce the size. I'll fix it at the center actually, and then I will make it a kind of from here. So the next thing that I will do is I will go and copy the text which is here, fairly used. And actually see the text here. So I will just go and then go back to my PixelLab. I will click on text, click on it, and then paste it here. So for these writings, I will actually pick a font called Railway. Railway. Yeah, here's it. So I'll pick. Let me go with medium. Actually. So here's it. So I will increase the size to this. Let me see. Yeah, I'll increase the size to this. Let's see this. Yep. So I will go to my color here. I will pick the color from the color scheme here, and then it is white color actually. I will pick from it. Let's see, we respect it, and then pick from it. And then on the color, you can actually see the down is student friendly kaza price. So let me come to here, you can see it here, you can see it here, right? So I will select only the student friendly kaza, and then go to the color picker and then pick from the color scheme. Yeah, that's it for this. So you can actually see how it works. So the next thing, let me see. It seems like okay. Let me just reduce the line spacing. Yeah, sure. So this is looking good. Yeah. So let's go ahead to the next one, which is just from electric kaza. I'll just copy it here, and I will go and paste it. So I'll come here and paste it here. Yep. So for this also I'll go with railway, but let me see. Railway. Yeah. So let me go with normal, regular. Yeah. So for the alignment, I will go with the center alignment, and then I'll reduce the size. Yep. And then I'll stretch it up. Yeah, I'll reduce the size now. Stretch it back. Yep. So as you can see from the flyer, Unimats is actually highlighted as, is it yellow color? Yeah. So I will come here and then highlight the Unimats. Here is it from here. Then I'll come here, from here to here. Yeah, I'll pick it. Yeah, you can actually see how I did that actually. So this is it. We are going higher, we are going smarter, we are going higher. So the next thing that I will do is I will actually import the gadgets. So here's the gadget actually. Here's the gadget. So I will just reduce the size of the gadgets. Okay, let me just expand the size. So on his own tutorial, he actually imports power clip one of the gadget and then do it again but for us, we don't have power clipping, and then we can use texture to achieve what we want. So for this, I will just create a kind of shape. For this shape is actually ellipse. Sorry. Yep. So here we go. So let's see, this is the shape like this. So I will turn it to the back. Let me see to the back. Okay, and then I will just fix it around this axis. So now what I will do is, since I know I can power clip it to create a kind of shape, so what I will do is I will copy this, and then for this one I will just reduce. Okay, let me just make it to be black color. I'll just make it to black, and then I'll reduce the opacity. Yep, somehow like this, and then I'll fix this one around here. Let me see. I don't want the video to be long actually, but you want us to grab everything. So that's it for this. So I will go to shape again, and then I will create a kind of rectangular shape like this. Yep, so I will drag it to this axis, and then for this shape I will just increase the radius to 4, and then I will increase this like this. So I will turn it to the back, and then I will change the color to which color? Okay, let's see, ash. Something ash. Yeah, something like this. So that's it for this. I will just match the colors here. So this one is actually at the back. Let me just match them. Yep. So they have been matched already, so let me do like this. I'll just fix it around here. It's actually fixed around here, so let me do exactly what was done. And then the next thing that we will do is, I think we are good with this color scheme. I think we are good with it. I can delete it actually, since we already have it. Yep. So the next thing that I will do is I will create a kind of shape here. So for this shape, I will just kind of draw it like this. Yep, I will increase the radius to this, and then let me show you that I can draw it like this. Yeah, this looks perfect. Yeah, so I will turn it to the back of this. So now what remains is for me to actually let me see. Yes, these things also it's actually important. So I would change the color of this to this color, and then I will reduce the size. So for the writings here, I will just go to my writings and then copy it from here. Items to be sold, items to buy, items you can buy, sorry. Yep. So here we go. I will just copy the text and then write it here. So for this text, it's actually a black color, and then I will reduce the size. So we are going with red way. Let's see, medium. Yeah, here we go. So I'll reduce the size again. So I think for the color of for these items you can buy them, you just copy it and then delete it from here. So I want to create a kind of highlight, let it be highlighted. Yes, so I can copy this and then write the items to buy. I'll just fix it around here. So for these items to buy, I'll change the fonts to semi-bold and then I'll make it to be underlined. Yeah, so here we go. So for this thing, I'll just create a kind of effect here. Will I say effect? No, it's not an effect. Something that I can just put as a icons. So I don't want the video to be that long, so I will just do it for all like this. So that's it for this. I actually did for all. So the next thing is I'll create a kind of okay, I'll go to my gallery and then import something. What is this? It's just a QR that you will use for scanning. I'll just crop it. Yeah. So I'll just crop it like this. Okay, let me just align it to the center. I'll just crop it like this and then I'll reduce the size. Reduce the size and then fix it around this axis. So it's actually something that is not hard to do. So I will create a shape. From this shape, I will just kind of reduce the size. Yep. So this shape is supposed to be this color, and then let me increase the size of this guy. Yep. So let this one be around this axis. Yep, I will turn it to the back. So I will go and copy the text here, which is scan to have access. Yep, for this I will just copy this one and then paste it. Yeah. So reduce the size. Then I will just centralize it to here. So for this alignment is actually at the center, so I can actually change the font to be semi-bold. Yeah, so let me decrease the size. So that's it for this. So I will go to here for inquiries. I can actually copy it. Yep. And then I will just fix it also. Yeah, for inquiries. So for this also, I will just change it to black color, and then for the font, let me use semi-bold. Yeah. So I will decrease the size, increase the size, and then it's around this axis. It's actually around this axis, so I'll just fix it around this axis. So that is it actually for this. That's it. So if I like, I can go to let me see. I can go and select this and delete them. And then let me copy the text here. And then I will just put it just for me to. Sorry, I didn't copy this. Why is it that this thing is showing me like this? Okay, so I will just fix it around this axis, reduce the size like this. So I will underline it to create attention. So that's it actually. So we are done with the flyer. So let me delete the main flyer so that you can actually see the one that we designed. So I can actually move this to the front, this one to here, this one to here. Yeah, thank you very much for your time. Here is our flyer. Thank you very much. See you on the next tutorial. If you find this thing to be very useful, please consider subscribing and then like and share to your fellow designers so that they will learn also as we learn. Thank you very much. See you on the next tutorial.